Shenanigans. And today we are gonna do a drawing contest. But you don't have to speak, so. And here is a little. There is a boy right next to us, and his name is Caleb, and he's new. And he's new
To the channel.
But whatever.
Whatever.
He's a visitor at our house. Yes. And so let's get started. We are not. Well, I will tell you the rules. We are not allowed to look at each other's papers. So you are allowed to go under the table. Just to make sure, like this one keeps looking at my papers a lot. So I might want to go under the table if I want to. So yeah.
Okay, you have 60 seconds to make art. Ready? And
Go!
Start.
So basically 1 minute. Yep. Basically. Okay, so that. Oh no, I messed up that. Stella, you're cheating!
You can't look.
Stella, look!
Stella, you are officially cheating. That was cheating. Can't look at other people.
Okay, Dad's saying it's okay to look at the other people's art.
No! But then it's not a contest. Because otherwise the other person might steal the thing, their idea.
15 seconds left.
Oh dang it.
I'm going to give you 30 seconds.
She's covering the thing, so
I know, it's okay.
we might have to edit that part when she's not covering it.
Yep.
Sorry guys.
This is the third sister that's covering the camera.
The last
And I'm the fourth, and I'm the first boy.
Stella, if you're going to give it a face, now's the time because you got 10 seconds left.
Okay.
Stella, is it going to have a face?
Yes.
10, 9, 8,
7,
7, 6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
Ding 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 ding. I'm finished. Flip your paper over.
Okay, guys.
Yours looks pretty good, actually.
So we're going to score with numbers 1 to 5. 5 being the best, 1 being the not so best. Caleb and I get to be the judges. If there's a tie, then Lydia gets to vote.
Yep.
And Mia, present your art.
So basically, it's a story going on, and Lydia's trying to draw on my paper. Okay, so it's basically a story. So this heart is all alone, and she suddenly and she walks in the forest one day, and she finds a star friend and another star friend, and then she finds two swirly friends, and then they all
Rainbow? Is that a rainbow?
and a rainbow friend, and they all actually had a good time, and they became friends and lived at the heart's house.
Awesome. Stella, show us your art.
That's pretty good. Yeah.
Okay, I give Mia's a 4.
I give me as a 5.
Okay, let's look at Stella's.
4 out of what?
5.
5 out of 5.
Stella, tell us what you have here.
It's the unfinished cat, actually.
No, it's not. Tell us what you got, Stella.
It looks
Caleb, we're not asking you, we're asking Stella. Stella, tell us what you have. Is it a whale? Is it a unicorn whale?
It must be a narwhal then.
I think it looks like a narwhal.
It kind of
Yes.
looks like a cat to me.
It's a narwhal.
It's a narwhal. If it's a narwhal, I'm pretty impressed because it looks a lot like a narwhal.
Unfinished.
What's your score, Caleb?
I give Stella a 4 and Mia a 5.
Okay, I give Stella a 5 and Mia a 4, so they've both got 9 points. Okay, so hold them up in front of Lydia and see which one she likes the best.
Lydia, which one do you like? Well,
She likes mine.
Lydia, which one do you like more? Lydia, which one do you like more?
Caleb, stop the sounds, please.
Lydia, Lydia.
And Lydia has no opinion, so you guys tied at 9 points apiece.
No. She looked at mine and she laughed. And she also looked at Stella's and she didn't laugh at all. So I think that was for me.
Well, you know, I can't really say. I'm not sure about that. So I'm going to say it's a tie.
Dang it.
So that's all for this video. Remember to like and subscribe. And Mia, if they're not sure if they want to like it, what should they do?
You should
Mary
just
and Applejack sit in a tree.
You should just give us a sideways thumb, not a thumbs down. Please. We want to make money.
There's probably a little people
even though
that
we already got the egg org, you guys don't know what an egg org is. If you do, then great.
Mary and Applejack.
So if you guys like this video, okay, how does that go with Thomas? So if you guys like this video, give us a thumbs up.
Give us a thumbs up and like and subscribe and do all that stuff that no one knows about. That just come to our house. It's in McAllister, not McAllister, Kansas City.
And our number is 531.
No, we're not giving our number out on the internet.
I'm kidding. I'm kidding.
Okay, say goodbye, Stella.
Okay, goodbye.
Bye. I'll see you next time on Two Sisters Shenanigans.
3 sisters.
Yeah.
Bye, guys.